Menorca is magic, but you'd have to come to see and feel it to be able to explain it. It's an experience that I'm sure will stay with you for the rest of your life. Incredible how this tiny island is so full of surprises, whether archaeological, historical, cultural, or the flora and fauna. The variety of it never ceases to amaze you. Menorca has so much more to offer than spectacular beaches and coastlines. There are places where you quite literally walk on fossils or Roman pottery. The Menorcans are proud of and have great respect for their precious little island and lifestyle, which is very decent, I'd say. It's very clean and safe, and that makes your holiday highly enjoyable, of course. We try to show you this other, not so typical, this unique and surprising kind of Menorca, with the intention to share with you our feelings of admiration we have for this pearl of the Mediterranean. No matter how old you are or where you're from, it's hard not to fall in love with this island. If you're looking for a different kind of holiday, Menorca is without a doubt the one. And we are more than happy to bring you closer to its secrets and give you the opportunity to be enchanted by all the magic and splendor.